I hope you had a lovely weekend and welcome to your Monday morning maths lesson. Now this week we are going to practice addition and subtraction. So we're going to be today adding 3-digit by 3-digit numbers, and I'm going to give you a method for that, and we'll practice tomorrow. And then on Wednesday and Thursday we're going to work on some subtraction, and then on Friday we're going to work on solving some word problems, so putting those skills to the test. So that's how this week's maths is going to pan out. So you've got the sheets in your pack and you've got the method, but just to go through it. So when you're doing a 3-digit by 3-digit number, I know some of you are going to want to do column. Just try this method because it's really good to have more than one method up your sleeve, just in case. So this week I would like you to practice first adding the hundreds. So we know our hundreds, tens and units, or hundreds, tens and ones. So first of all, I would like you to add the hundreds. So in this case, question 1 is 111 add 603. I would like you to do, first step, which would be 100, add 600, which equals 700. 10, because there's 1 in that column, nothing in that column, so 10 add 0, which equals 10. And then 1 unit and 3 units, so 1 add 3 equals 4. We then write it out like this to add them together. So 700 add 10 add 4 equals 714. I'm just going to move you over a little bit and hopefully you can see. So number 2 is 583 add 211. So again, the first step is to add the hundreds. So 500 add 200, which equals 700. Second step, the tens, this column, so 80 add 10, which equals 90. Finally, the units, 3 add 1, 3 add 1 is 4, and then we add 700, add 90, add 4, which equals 794. The last one, I'm not sure you can see, but I will see if I can explain it anyway. Oh, you definitely can't see me down there, can you? So 278 add 621, so 200 add 600 equals 800. Then again it's the tens column, so 70 add 20 equals 90, and then 8 add 1 equals 9, so 890 add 9 equals 899. It's a really lovely systematic method, just working through the steps. Obviously, if you get any one of those steps wrong, the answer's going to be wrong, so make sure you're accurate. We haven't said that word for a couple of weeks, but you know how I like accuracy as well as independence, so make sure you do it step by step. And I don't want to hear anybody with this, say in the tens column, 8 add 1, because that doesn't explain it well enough in your head. You need to remember it's 80 add 10, so it's 90. That's sometimes where people get confused. So have a go today. There's some questions in there. There's an extension for anybody that thinks that this might be a little bit too easy for them. I'm sure I can hear a few voices saying to me, Miss Keck, I can do that already. Just do 10. Make sure that you've got them all 10 out of 10 straight away. If you have, go on to the extension or go on to a different maths challenge of your choosing. I will see you tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Be good.